So this is actually the second kind of official Tekki Heat meet tonight. My buddy Jeff decided to do one more before the season's ending. Some cool stuff out here. Nice. On the way far.
That's my old shadow.
So we're on Main Street tonight in Unionville. We're at the Espresso 21 coffee shop. Bikes just parked up here on the side. Last meet of the year. Ton of bikes coming in. Lots of bikes still pulling in here.
It looks like we have 30-ish and coming.
I hear more.
Yeah, and more coming.
Not bad.
And
Not
the
bad.
best part is it's a main street, so it's nice. It's a good looking area to pack with bikes.
I totally agree.
Yeah.